I ask me if I mean. I'm not a mean person. I'm not a mean person. I'm the kindest person you can ever find in the world.
But me not give it.
But me not just give it mine just so. You see what I say? Like it's not gonna work.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop you. You unstoppable, so now we are trained.
Now power and I obtain a whole of reasoning. And them talk about how illiterate some Jamaicans are. I'm not telling a lie. I am inclined to agree with what the man them has said. Because you have some Jamaican them daft. And by daft, I mean them dunce and illiterate. For real. Because when you even look at it, even some simple words were in the English language, we're in our vocabulary. If we mention it, you have some of them jump up. Why for that? Why for that? Yo, you're a fish. What kind of, yo, watch your talk. Watch your... Illiterate. Right? Because, yo, you know when you're stuck one place and now explore and experience new things and see new things and learn new things, you're really dark in the mind is how me view it. Right? So Noah and I obtain a whole of reasoning, make we listen. And then if you don't agree with me, talk to me down in the comment section. Zin? No matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable. I'm gone.
Let me show you how illiterate some Jamaicans are. They won't say virgin them and say blood clean, but 20 of them want cut. I do a manicure and a pedicure. A man have a bunny out and said, oh, you're body water. Man, no so no money and pedi. So what you call it when you're going at this and do your toenail and your fingernail?
Yeah, wait name.
Wait name. Like, bro, these are the things when we look on and me and say, yo, me as a little youth, my brain wash growing up in Jamaica and that when it comes to certain things, you know. And growing up in your country, hearing certain things and being around illiterate people, it will make you grow up and dislike and hate people, virgin. Because it's a thing where me I look on it like I thought cutting your nails was wrong, bro.
I walk up and down with a big old fingernail and knee.
No, me I talk about me I look at you, you know.
Yeah, man, that me I tell you, I walk up and down with a big dirty fingernail and your toenail them. Remember, say when we grow, we have a whole heap of shoes, you know. And your toenail them are grow, so and I get longer, so your shoes start squeeze you. You have toenail problem till your toe bend, and you have ingrown nail because it has squeezed from the shoes. The whole
ingrown nail are the worst feeling, bro. That's what
because you know cut your toe because your friend them also you're a fish.
You're a fish, brother. Listen me now, dog. But then I'm a pre. Then one of them things as a youth I grew up, you know. And all right, watch this. Pre this. Watch this. You know, say, me I give you a joke. And when me in my teens and start come America, I'm not afraid to talk. And when me come America upon Sound Trooper Sound, at them time they me can remember so me start clean my ears, you know.
Not glad. If thinking is was a person.
Because remember, you as a little youth them time there, you're not pre no Q-tip on them bridge. You understand?
Yeah.
Pre them thing there. Your toenail and your fingernail them stay away because you're not pre because your friend them are talk about dog. If you're going there so go cut your nail, go do manicure and pedicure. You're body boy. Well, man, you have girl alone get money and pedi. And then like looking to myself and me I say, I look to myself like, why me I listen to them fool people here? I'm near them ugly.
Yeah.
So, but then I say, General Star, dog, alright, free this. One night me and them on live.
Yeah.
And we are reason about something. And me coming to a defense of something where we are talking about some freaky shit.
Yeah.
Right there and then, me are the biggest freak. Be a
brother,
man start right. Oh, no, the way you talk, you sound like you're so Ray. That's our mentality as Jamaicans, brother. It's like if you speak on something, you are doing it.
Yeah, because you can't object to something without indulging in it.
If me say me not homophobic, them I say me a batty man. So it's like brother, it just leave you. You understand? As a Jamaican, for just say, yo, what am I to do with myself?
No, listen to me. What you need to do with it, I'm going to tell you this on the live. I'm going to tell you this. I need to listen. I give some words of wisdom. You just need to do you.
Yeah,
and you need to,
that's what I do.
Well, yeah, I do you, know. Yeah, I do you. But you still I do you with the idea of some people acceptance, perception for them thing. Because everybody were great. Everybody were great was half the great. Them never, the equilibrium, them half the great at all. And everybody were them ridicule, become a poster boy at the end. Because them kill Jesus Christ, I know them depend near praise him. Marcus Garvey the same thing, national hero. Malcolm X have them own everything. All of them people are then ridiculed over the years. Become poster boy down the line. See, when you do things different, people are going to always shut it down because they don't understand it. So you have to come to the realization that opinions can't stick. Once you come to that, the opinion won't stick. See, then when you answer, more time when you answer somebody perspective of what them think you should be doing, you even write it back on a text. Because anything with anger, you control it, you know. Enough time I want to say something, I just want to dry him out. Somebody come off on the page. Me I laugh when me write it. And then him spilling guts and tell me one bag of soap. I know him could have shoot me on the man last week and all these things. So you have to understand how sarcasm works sometimes and how thick skin you become. You understand? So when me do my thing, you know, me not give a who I like it or not, you know. Because this is how me feel and that's how me I do it. So me do an interview and a man I say, yo, you're homophobic. No, I'm not homophobic. So them I say, a man will say, that means you I say, listen to me. Me not incite no violence for no man. Me not try to kill no man. Whatever you do in your own personal space. Then it's you. Then say you hate Batman and them something there. I said, no, I don't hate the person. I just hate the sin. I don't like the sin. So you see, once a man no come in my space and try get me indulge in it, then fine. So a man I say, so you work with a man where party are very rare, something that me say, yo, listen to me. Me say you fly on a plane before? Yeah. Me say, I'm on a plane going to fucking Japan with this homophobic mentality, right? And majority of the air hostess gay. Majority of them gay.
Yeah,
well, on majority of them gay. I mean, in my mind, remember, me not consume nothing. I mean, in my mind, I say, oh, right. I made up on the plane for 13 hours, and the 13 hours, remember 16 hours flight, you know. The 13 hours the plane gets silent. See? I remember say me, I say me no want to take nothing. Yes, when the hungry, they burn up in a tribe, I want a buckle of water. Me not even business if the man a fish or not. But me press that buzzer there. And him say, sir, can I help? I said, can I have a buckle of water, please? Me not have to do it, but you're going enough place where you tell me about. When me ask you the water, me pay how much money if it fly on first class. So just because the person where do the thing very, them homosexual, me not to take a buckle of water, for please who? You? You must flat man. So what you know, the end of the day, me and that person now go lie down and me now go sleep. So when you have the mentality, the brother, and then you see them other person, you go do the same thing. And that me I tell you, so when you have to look in at yourself and say, what you want to do?
Yeah.
You want to be true to yourself or you want to live a next man truth? You know that? You know about secret, some girl have some man on the road and some something, brother. See? So me as a youth can talk publicly and me can say certain things and say it. And when me say it, you know, hear the conviction in it because me can say it and I truth and nobody else can come out and say, acting do this and acting do that. No girl can come, you know, because me can say it. Which a next man can't even say them things the way, but I feel him life that now. I feel him life that. Me have bred, you know, if them not get gal and them something there. I feel them thing that now. But I'm a virgin them same way. What me I go do?
Bro,
me can't
honestly, bro, let me tell you something. You see the man them will do certain things and illiterate like how them speak and certain things and want fight and want oh, so couldn't matter if you did this and that. All right, this is the moment where you're just gonna listen to this. I understand you grew up a certain way, just like me and Octane, but we start go places where we're traveling all over the world.
Sure.
We're doing music, we're doing stuff where people is involved. And once you start doing that, you're gonna come across a lot of type of peoples. So I'm just giving you a hint. If you don't reach anywhere yet in life where you have to be around certain things and certain people or whatever, you're not gonna understand, so you're gonna be illiterate. But bro, prepare for it, because the same thing where you say we sell out and with this and with that, just remember, say you're gonna reach in the same situation there, or you might reach in a fucking worse, because you cannot get away from all these things that we're talking about in life. Where we now say suck no matter if you're dead, this and that. Because right now, if you as an artist, and I don't care what nobody wants to say, because brother, the whole of we are man, the whole of we are big people, the whole of we can talk shit, the whole of we can say, oh no, me no, red, until it reaches the level there. You as an artist will get that song, and you here say you're gonna get signed by Def Jam. And the man who own Def Jam and the biggest batty man, what you gonna do?
Your turn on your contract. Tell me what you're going to do.
All right, next thing.
Hold on. All right.
Make it easier. Let's make it easier.
Better.
Let's make it easier.
No, not even go there. Yes. The Versace pants that will squeeze up your ass. And the Louis V. Where you do?
So you tell me now. Me I get signed by Def Jam. And I get $4 million for sign for 2 albums. The owner for Def Jam now have nothing to do with me. Because in the first place, I'm not working with the owner. I just signed to a company where the A&R is signed to me to deal with my project. So your friends them come and say, dog, you don't take no them boy, them money, dog. You know, see boy over there, some about boy. What you gonna do? A lot of people from Jamaica, they're gonna say, I want you, but no, I sell out. Okay, but when the day they come, what you gonna do? Because this is where them I get wrong. This is where them I get wrong in the acting. We never say if a man okay for $4 million, we say if you sign to a label.
Yo, but that me I tell you the money man, yo, the people them make that's why me daddy, that's why me is a man. I said to people them say, yo, I'm not a safe zone when you come to my shows. Man, a Christian, but I feel like I just get up every day and sing righteous song. I don't know, listen to it. I don't know, listen. I'm not streaming it, I'm not support it. See? Because since I've lately when I sing the song, them on sound of love, and when call me and DM if I'm not support it. Someone to Love is the last reggae song that I've done. No, I know your nose, the bomb clad with that money up on the life.
No, my brethren call me man and I talk about my nose big, so I have to show him that I say my nose big. What?
Yo, Someone to Love is the last reggae song. It's the last reggae song that I've done where I see them support it to a certain extent. See? But you ask reggae song and not support it. Now I sing every man in the street and clean that you not support. So one thing, never sing one and support. You can't tell people say them want to do certain things and they don't not support it. Like a person life supposed to stop according to how you have that person in your head. Listen to me. On the expectation of me, I don't know about Noah, it be very low. Don't make my expectation high. It be low. Make it grow.
Me not just tell you, brother. But my expectation, my expectation to people is like, they, bro. I just loyal people them who they on my life and who love my music. Them Them like my song, but do they like the person who sing the song and give me that respect what I'm supposed to get? You understand? But at the end of the day, I'm just here doing music, and I just want to be successful in music. I want to do songs to inspire, motivate people, and make people have fun. You understand? But at the same time, too, we're human beings, and we like to see that respect from people. You understand? You know how it feels. Me know, brother, I go to a place in the world, you know. One of the greatest joy to me is when people see me and walk up to me and say, yo, I love your songs. I love your music. Like, your song motivate me. Your song inspire me to do it. You understand?
Right now, you know we unstoppable.